This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Press the Windows key, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt. You can also right-click the Start button and choose Command Prompt Admin for elevated access. If you prefer keyboard only, type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open an elevated prompt quickly. When the window opens, note the title bar shows the current path and user. This is the only way we will use for consistent administration and scripting. Use cd/folder to change directories and dir to list files quickly. Use dir/ to show hidden and system files when necessary. To copy a file, use copy file, txtd/backup/file, txt, or use xcopy for recursive copies. Use move file, txtd/ to relocate files and rename at the same time with move. Delete files with del file, txt, and remove empty folders with rmdir folder. For recursive folder deletes, use rmdir/s folder with caution. Use ipconfig/all to view detailed network information, and use ping 8 to test connectivity. When troubleshooting, run sfc/scano to scan and repair protected system files. Use chkdskc/f to fix disk errors and schedule a reboot if required. Manage users with NetUser username password/add and enable the built-in administrator with NetUser administrator/active. Yes, always run the command prompt as admin for system changes and confirm actions before executing destructive commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.